Hi there, everyone. My name is Dane Lamont, and I am your Brightspace Support Specialist for Penn Highlands Community College. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can basically get access to your online learning material, whether it's software, testing material, or an ebook. And there's two stages to this. First is getting the access code for that material, and the second part is redeeming the access code for that material. Now, the first thing you should probably do is check your course syllabus here and see what the name of the material is. It's typically on the first page, and here we have Society, the Basics, 15th edition from Pearson Education. And this even says that it's Revel software. So how do we find the access code? How do we get access to this material? Well, typically your instructor will have some module called Brightspace and Revel Access or ebook access. You'll know it when you see it. So this one we're going to click, and there should be two links inside of it, Brightwave and Pearson. Brightwave is an online bookshelf that has your materials, your ebooks, and the access codes to those materials. So you want to go to that first. Now we have Society, the Basics, 15th edition, just like how it says in the syllabus here. So we're going to click this courseware, and we're going to copy this access code to the clipboard like this. Now you can write this down and do it yourself and type it yourself, but there's a few tricks to making things go a little bit faster. But once you've copied the access code, you can go back to your Brightspace account and go back to that Brightwave and Revel Access module, and then go to Pearson. This is where the actual learning material is found. Okay, they might ask you to accept the legal policies or connect your account. Just work your way through that. And then you'll get three options: redeem, buy, or 14-day temporary access. If nothing's working out for you, hopefully you get in contact with your instructor, but you can also use the 14-day temporary access pass while we work on a solution for you. Don't buy the material. You've already done that through paying for the class. So click redeem. Now, you can left click the first box here and then right click and then left click on paste. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just left click the first box and press Control V on your keyboard, or you can just type everything out by hand. I suggest you just copy and paste whenever you can, but whatever gets you through the access code. Then click Submit. And this says your code was approved and you'll have access to it till January of next year. So looking pretty good there. And you can do that with any piece of Revel or Pearson material, whether it's for a psychology class, a math class, a psychology class. It all follows the same basic rule. Just make sure that you are using the proper access code, and you know the access code by what's in the syllabus, or not the access code, the material, the name of the material. Afterwards, you can always just click the link, and that will bring you to your dashboard, which will include your chapters to read, quizzes to do, and so on. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at dlamont@pennhighlands.edu, or give me a call at 814-262-6422. Thank you, and have a good semester.